MediaPet 2.1 is here. Creating ad content used to take too many steps, like too much back and forth, too much guessing, and too much time. That's why we built MediaPet's new voice agent. With MediaPet 2.1, you can simply talk through your idea, your product, your offer, your audience. It can suggest hooks, shape your messaging, build scripts, and guide you through the whole process step by step. Hey Neo, so basically we have a new product named Ocean Drive. It's our new perfume, has a vanilla taste, and it's for men and women, and we want to create a video for it. Can you help us?
Ocean Drive with a unisex vanilla perfume already feels sleek, warm, and a little cinematic. Would you like to include any image references for your ad? You can upload a product, logo, character, or environment reference to help match Ocean Drive's look and feel, or skip if you don't have any.
Well, for now we can skip it.
Got it. So how long should your ad be? We have options for 15, 30, or 60 seconds. Shorter ads work well for social, longer ones for more complex messages. What do you think?
Let's do the 30-second one.
30 seconds it is. Now, what visual style would you like for this ad? We have realistic, which provides that sleek, premium feel, perfect for luxury. Or maybe cyberpunk for something bold and edgy with neon color.
Let's do the realistic one.
Realistic is fantastic. Before we lock in that style, let's pick an aspect ratio. Do you want it wide like a TV screen or tall for social like on a phone?
Which one is a good fit for TikTok?
For TikTok, the tall orientation is perfect. That's 1024 by 1536, so it fits nicely on a phone screen.
Yeah, I love this one.
All right, I've got a few ideas for you. First, we have Vanilla After Dark, a sensual cinematic concept where the scent becomes the magnetic force pulling two strangers together. Or how about...
Can you tell me a bit more about Vanilla After Dark?
Totally. Vanilla After Dark is all about mystery and sophistication. Picture city lights, close-up shots of skin, and intense glances between two people, where the vanilla scent acts like an unseen force pulling them together, making Ocean Drive feel luxurious and unforgettable. Sound like direction you want to go?
Yeah, I love this one. Let's pick it.
Love that choice. Vanilla After Dark is a great direction. Let's keep going. Before we finalize, would you like to add any additional details? These are optional, but can help make your video even better. Things like key phrases, a call to action, the ad tone, or target age group.
I would love to add the call to action. Can you give me some suggestions?
Sure. For a luxurious fragrance, something like discover your signature or experience the attraction could work well.
So it's not just a tool that responds, it's an assistant that helps you think, create, and execute faster. Whether you're starting with a clear vision or just a rough idea, MediaPet makes the creative process easier, faster, and more natural. So with MediaPet 2.1, you're not just editing video, you're running a full creative studio, even from your phone. And the best part? Plans start at under $10 a month, with a free 7-day trial to get started. So sign up for MediaPet and give it a try. What have you got to lose?